Hi everyone and welcome back to CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 11, I'm going to show you how to use cloud and leader functions in CADReader, two powerful tools to highlight important parts of your drawings and make your comments stand out. First, open a drawing in CADReader, go to Toolbar, mouse hover freehand, cloud. Then simply draw around the part you want to highlight. In this example, I'll highlight this door. And that's it. The cloud makes your selection pop, clearly separating it from the rest of the drawing. This is perfect for marking key areas or revisions. Next, let's add a leader line. Go to Toolbar, mouse hover freehand, leader, type your text in the input box. You can even press enter to add multiple lines. Click OK and now you'll see your leader line pointing directly to the part of your note. This is great for adding instructions, comments, or reminders directly on your drawing. To customize, right-click the annotation and select Modify Comment Properties. For clouds, you can change the color to make them more visible. For leaders, you can adjust color, text height, or edit the text itself. Click OK to apply your changes. You can also speed things up with shortcut keys. Right-click Shortcut Settings, scroll to Cloud and Leader, assign keys, and click Save. For example, I'll use Y for Cloud and X for Leader. Now I can activate them instantly. Finally, you can export your drawing with all annotations included. Just go to Open, Export, and your file will be ready to view or share on any device, phone, iPad, or laptop. You can also share it with your colleagues and friends. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.